In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add an employee to Payroll Gusto. This process lives inside the hiring and onboarding area, and once it is set up correctly, the new employee will flow into Payroll automatically after they finish onboarding. Start by signing into your Gusto account and looking at the left sidebar. Click People, and then choose Hire and Onboarding. This is the section where you create a new person in your company and collect the details Gusto needs to pay them correctly. Next, click Hire a new person. When Gusto asks what type of person you are adding, select Employee, then click Next. Choosing the correct person type matters, because employees follow different tax and payroll rules than contractors. Now you will enter the basic identity and timing information. Type in the employee's legal name, add their email address, and set their start date. Use the legal name exactly as it appears on official documents, because mismatches can cause issues later with tax forms and payroll reporting. For the email address, make sure it is one the employee can access, since onboarding invitations and required forms are completed through that email. For the start date, choose the date they will begin work with your company, so their onboarding and payroll timelines line up. After that, you will set job and pay details. Choose their work location, then assign a department if your company uses departments for reporting and organization. Enter their pay rate carefully, and double-check the number before moving on. This pay rate is what payroll will use as a foundation, so accuracy here saves time later. Next, assign the employee to a pay schedule. This determines how often they will be paid, such as weekly, every other week, or semi-monthly, based on what your company has already set up. Once you have selected the correct pay schedule, click Save and continue to finish adding them to onboarding. From here, the employee will complete their digital onboarding. After they submit their information, they will automatically appear in your next Run Payroll list, ready to be included when you process payroll. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.